Have you ever wondered how to turn your favorite luxury beauty products into a full-on self-care experience? Today, I'm unboxing something from Chanel's latest collection that you'll definitely want in your routine. And trust me, the surprises in this bag are worth every second. Plus, I'm sharing a beauty hack that will make your lip color pop like never before. Let's enjoy some self-love. Hey loves! Welcome to another Self-Love Saturday. Today we're indulging in all things Coco Chanel. To set the vibe, I'm lighting my DIY Chanel-inspired camellia candle. Look at that glow. If you want to learn how to make one of your own, be sure to check out my DIY candle video for all the details. Trust me, you're gonna love it. All right, let's dive into today's review of some Chanel goodies, starting with the iconic Coco Mademoiselle fragrance. This perfume is elegance in a bottle, perfect for both daytime and evening. It has this captivating blend of orange, jasmine, and rose that lingers just enough without overpowering. This is a staple in my collection, and if you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out. The Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum is a timeless fragrance that embodies elegance and sophistication. The fragrance is subtle but lasts all day. The scent has a complex depth that makes it stand out from typical floral fragrances, with a hint of patchouli and vetiver, giving it an alluring, sensual base. This is definitely a signature scent for anyone who loves a blend of freshness and warmth. This fragrance is for someone that is confident, independent, and sophisticated, yet playful and youthful. It's for someone who knows what they want and isn't afraid to go after it. This fragrance speaks to a person who exudes both strength and femininity. Someone with an aura of timeless elegance, but with a modern, bold twist. It's a fragrance for a woman who's dynamic and multifaceted. In addition to the fragrance, as you can see, I have quite a few other beauty products, like the Coco Mademoiselle Hair Mist. The Coco Mademoiselle Hair Mist is a luxurious addition to the fragrance family. It delivers the same iconic scent as the Eau de Parfum, but with a gentle formula that's safe for hair. It leaves a subtle yet captivating scent that lingers without being too intense. I love how it helps my hair smell fresh all day, and it doesn't dry it out or weigh it down like some hair fragrances can. It's a perfect way to add a final touch of luxury to your scent while leaving your hair soft and fragrant. I also have the Coco Mademoiselle Body Lotion. The Coco Mademoiselle Body Lotion is an indulgent treat for your skin. Its rich, creamy texture hydrates and nourishes, leaving the skin feeling silky smooth. The lotion absorbs quickly, and the scent lingers without being too heavy, creating a beautiful base layer to enhance the fragrance of the Eau de Parfum. It's perfect for those who want to layer their fragrance or just indulge in some luxury skincare. The lotion is moisturizing enough for daily use and feels like a spa treatment every time. I got the Coco Mademoiselle Body Oil, which came in this gift set. The Coco Mademoiselle Body Oil is another fantastic way to layer the fragrance and give your skin an extra dose of hydration. The oil is lightweight, yet deeply moisturizing, leaving your skin with a soft, radiant glow. It's perfect for dry skin or for those who want to feel extra pampered. The scent is luxurious, but not overpowering, so it's perfect to wear alone or combined with the perfume. I like to combine the oil and body lotion together. If you're a fan of glowing, nourished skin with a touch of Chanel elegance, this body oil is a must-have. Last but not least, I have the Coco Mademoiselle Soap. The Coco Mademoiselle Soap is a beautiful way to start your fragrance experience from the moment you step into the shower. The soap has a luxurious lather that cleanses without stripping the skin of moisture. The scent is subtle yet captivating, and it leaves the skin feeling soft and refreshed. It's a perfect complement to the Coco Mademoiselle body lotion and eau de parfum, creating a layered fragrance experience that lasts all day. These products from Coco Mademoiselle are all about indulgence and timeless luxury. Each item enhances the others in the collection, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the elegant and sophisticated world of Chanel. Whether you're after a fragrance that lasts all day or skincare that nourishes while adding a touch of glamour, these products deliver on all fronts. Now, for the part I've been most excited about, unboxing some pieces from the new Chanel Spring Collection, let's start with the nail polishes. First, we have 197 Artiste, a beautiful mint green color that's perfect for spring. And then there's 363 Eau de Piste, which is a metallic color. Both of these are perfect for adding a pop of color this season. Next, we have the Camellia Futura Blush Trio. Look at these shades. This trio has everything you need to add a healthy glow to your cheeks. I'm loving how versatile this palette is. It works for day or night. But I must be honest, I just love the design. I mean, the color is nice, but I probably wouldn't pay any attention to this palette if it wasn't for the Camellia. I also got the Rouge Coco Balm in 764 Charming Lilac. I love these. And finally, the Rouge Coco Lip Set. This is a lip lover's dream. You can choose your own lip color from Chanel's Rouge Coco line. I chose the color 136 Flying Cloud, a dark nude shade. And I got 104 Mademoiselle, of course. I love Chanel lipstick because I find them to be more hydrating and soothing on my lips versus other brands. The set comes with this cute little patent case. Now I have these 3 Chanel cases, but I like to store my new collections in my Chanel vanity case. Speaking of lips, it's time for this week's beauty tip. Ever want your lip color to really stand out and pop? Here's a quick hack. Before applying your lipstick, take a little bit of your foundation or concealer and lightly dab it on your lips to neutralize your natural lip color. Then apply your lipstick as usual. This creates the perfect blank canvas, making the color even more vibrant. You'll notice the difference right away. Before we wrap up, I wanted to show you the remaining products from the new Chanel collection. We've got these gorgeous swatches of the blushes, and just look at how pigmented they are. This other nail polish in this peach pinkish color is so vibrant too. Just what we need for spring. The collection is set to drop next month, but they are already available in some Chanel boutiques. To finish off today's Self-Love Saturday, I want to leave you with some inspiration. Create what you consume. This goes beyond just beauty products. We often enjoy things like good food or beautiful surroundings, but why not take it one step further and create them for yourself? This could be as simple as starting a potted herb garden. Imagine having fresh herbs right on your windowsill. Or maybe you're into beauty like me. Try making your own hair products using natural oils for your scalp, or even DIY candles like my Chanel Camellia candle. The point is, you don't have to wait for someone else to create these things for you. You can start with something simple, like a candle, and who knows where it'll take you. And remember, if you want to learn how to make that Chanel-inspired candle, check out my DIY candle video. I've got you covered. Starting in 2025, I'm identifying all the things that don't serve me well and leaving them behind. So this week, I'm leaving behind distractions. Honestly, I get sidetracked with things that aren't on my to-do list. It happens, right? But moving forward, I'm committing to focusing on what's actually on my list and prioritizing those tasks. If anything else comes up, I'll fit it in after I've tackled what's most important. That way, I stay productive and on track. Before we wrap up, I want to know, how was your week? And what are you leaving behind? That's it for this week's Self-Love Saturday Loves. Don't forget to take time for yourself, create something beautiful, and stay focused on your goals. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the DIY Chanel-inspired candle video for more creative content. See you next time. Thanks for watching.